Let's analyze a 3-environment thermal bridge. We could import a DXF or draw it and fill materials by hand. But we'll use bridge generator, always a great starting point. Let's choose a template with outer insulation. As you can see, you have full control over bridges, geometry, and materials. Bridge Generator will create all the required details needed to perform the simulation. Please note that 2 bridge section elements are required here. They are placed between internal and external environments and internal and unheated environments. Particular attention must be paid to the unheated environment. By default, its temperature is set to 10 degrees, but we could make it proportional to internal-external temperature difference and choose the most appropriate configuration. That's it. Now Mold Simulator will compute L factors and will use them to compute all the results.